Welcome back to our Facebook and Instagram ads beginners course. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to contact Meta support to help you resolve any issue that you're having with your Facebook advertising or your ad account. To also point out, this particular video is part of a complete course on Facebook and Instagram advertising for beginners. And I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access other videos available under this particular course. So do you have like a disabled Meta ad account, or you have a Meta ad campaign that Meta refuses to approve for you to start running? Do you have a Facebook page or an Instagram handle that has been disabled by Meta? I'll be showing you how to contact Meta support to help you resolve any of the issues that you're having with Meta. So there are several ways you can actually reach out to Meta support. You can reach out to them via the Facebook app, you can reach out to them via the Instagram app, and you can also reach out to them via the Ad Manager app. But I will show you how to reach out to them via the Ad Manager app, because the Ad Manager app is actually the app that Meta built to manage everything that has to do with advertising on mobile. So I already have my Ad Manager app installed on my device. If you don't have it installed, you can go to either Play Store to download for Android or go to Apple Store to download for iOS. So to contact Meta support, what I'm going to click on is the button below the screen that shows a question mark. So once I click on that particular button, it takes me to the help and support page. So under this help and support page, there are two ways I can actually reach out to Meta. The first one is the contact support. So the contact support is like raising a ticket or creating a ticket so that Meta Pro team or Meta support can actually take over that particular issue that you raised a ticket for. And also you can reach out to them via live chat, in the sense that you get a Meta Pro team member to actually chat with them live and discuss with them and have them resolve any of your issue. I prefer the live chat because it's more flexible for me to have a discussion with them. I can ask for advice. I can also get a lot of issues fixed at once, and all of them is happening live. So I'm not waiting for anybody to get back to me. I'm actually on that particular conversation. So I like initiating a live chat with Meta support. So how do I go about that? So under these options available here, you can click on any of them, but I'll just be clicking on the second one. So once I click on the second one, it will take me to Help Center. So I have the Business Help Center opened here. So what I will do is to click on Get Support. So once I click on Get Support, then this is the issue that I've actually raised, a conversation I've actually raised before that has been completed. If I want to raise a new issue, so what I will now do is to click on Is Something Else. So once I click on Is Something Else, they also give me most common issues. So these are the issues that people have reported to Meta before now. So what I will now do is I'll click on Other Issues, because the goal is to initiate a chat with a Meta support team, Meta Pro team. So the next thing they will ask me to select the assets that I want to initiate. I want them to help me out with. So I'll just click on this particular asset, which is a business manager account. So I'll now find something else. I click on something else again. So once I click on something else, then they give me the opportunity to verify my email address, then provide information that I want to like initiate a chat for, then put my phone number, and then start a chat. So the average wait time for me to do all this is 57 minutes. So if I don't fill all this information under 57 minutes, this particular option will close down. I have to like start afresh. So let me just take a few minutes to like put in some information. Okay, so I'm done filling in the information. So under this particular description of the issue that I want them to investigate, I just added my ad account was disabled. So this is where you add any issue that you have. Maybe your Facebook page was disabled, your Instagram profile was also disabled. Any issue at all, this is where you actually put those information. And also when you're putting the information, try to also put, if it's an ad account, put the ad account ID. If it's a Facebook page, mention the Facebook page name, or you can also put the Facebook page URL, unique URL. If it's an Instagram handle, also put the Instagram handle unique URL, because it helps them to quickly trace which particular asset that you're talking about. So it's very important that you do that. Then once you do that, once you feed in all those information and then verify your email address to be sure that okay, this is the right email address, and now come and click on Start Chat. So So as you can see here, the request has been submitted. A Meta Pro team member is actually on Messenger. So I have to just click on open in Messenger. So once I click on open in Messenger, the next thing I need to do is to go to my Messenger app, because that is where the conversation with the Meta Pro team member is going to take place. So I have my Messenger app opened here. So to quickly navigate towards where the chat with the Meta support is, I just click on this hamburger sign. So once I click on this hamburger sign, I just click on support. So once I click on support, then this is the conversation that I'm having with Meta as of now. So once I click on that particular conversation, then they will ask me, did you get the help you needed? They will just give me some few articles that I can read up to solve my issue, but my goal is to actually chat with someone with support. So I just click on no. So once I click on no, they will then assign me to a Meta Pro agent. Yeah, so they said you will pass on to the next available agent who will be with you shortly. Then I'll just respond thanks. So as you can see, someone has joined the chat. Okay, a Meta Pro team member by the name Nikki has joined the chat. So I'll go through the conversation with them, verify some details, tell them what the issue that I'm facing. I can seek advice. They can give me advice on how to go about it. I can tell them whatever issue that I'm having, and they will have it resolved for me. So this is how you actually chat, contact Meta support. Yeah, this is how you contact Meta support. It will help you like solve a lot of issues that you might be having with Meta. And if this video has been helpful to you, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, because on this channel we upload a new video every single week on our channel. And also maybe there's some other issues that you are having and you want us to help you with those particular issues. Anything that has to do with marketing, digital advertising for your business, I will leave a link in the description for you to schedule a 30 minutes free strategy session with me for us to sit one-on-one, and then we can find a solution to your problem. Yeah, and as we always do on this particular channel, at the end of each month, we recognize the subscriber of the month. The subscriber of the month is someone who has watched the most of our video for that particular month. Yeah, so we recognize them and we give them a free Meta ad credit for them to use to promote their business, and also they get the opportunity to like tell us which video they want us to do for the coming week, and also they get a shout out on our next video as well. So to be able to win the subscriber of the month, we usually leave a card in all of our videos. Maybe you've seen the card while watching this particular video. If not, go back and find that particular card, click on the card to actually identify that you've actually watched this particular video. So the card is also available in most of our videos. So do find those cards. After watching a video and you find those cards, click on it to identify that you've watched the video, so that at the end of the month you can stand a chance to be the subscriber of the month. And also this is specifically available to subscribers. So if you are not yet a subscriber to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, so with that being said, until our next video, peace out.